Hello everyone, today I am going to telling you why is investment important in your life and what are its benefits and what problems can happen in future if you do not start today. Welcome to your Wise Thinking channel. If you are new, then please subscribe the channel. So let's start the video without any delay. So fast, I want to tell you that if you have to invest, then how should you do it? Where should you do it? Number 1, stock market. Number 2, real estate. Number 3, mutual funds. Number 4, gold and precious metals. Number 5, cryptocurrency. So in these 5 places you can learn how to generate good income by investing. But where can you learn this? Don't worry, that's why we have created Wise Thinking. So let's go into details now. You must have heard his name, Warren Buffett. This guy has become the 5th richest man in the world by investing in the stock market. But can we become rich by investing only in the stock market? No. You can become a rich man by investing and earn money from everywhere, but you will need the right guidance and the right method. But if you invest without knowledge, then you are sure to suffer a loss. So first of all, if you want to invest in the stock market, then how can you do it? Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm where you can open a brokerage account. Look for a broker that offers low fees, a user-friendly platform, and research tools to help you make informed investment decisions. But the main question is, what is stock market? What exactly is the stock market? Simply put, the stock market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. Its primary purpose is to facilitate the exchange of ownership in these companies, allowing investors to buy and sell stocks. And we will definitely take a complete detailed video on stock market soon, so stay tuned. Then let's move ahead to the next topic. Real estate. How can I make money by investing in real estate? Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you about a man, Donald Bren. Donald Bren takes the crown as the wealthiest real estate mogul globally, boasting a staggering net worth of $16.2 billion as of August 2022. His fortune skyrocketed by nearly $2 billion in just 2 years. Now the question is, what exactly is real estate? Real estate refers to property consisting of land and any buildings, structures, or natural resources on it. It includes residential properties, commercial properties, and industrial properties. And what benefits of real estate investing? One of the biggest benefits of real estate investing is its potential for passive income. By renting out properties, you can generate a steady stream of rental income. Additionally, real estate has historically appreciated in value over time, making it a valuable asset for long-term wealth creation. There are several ways to invest in real estate. Residential real estate includes properties used for living purposes, such as single-family homes, condos, and apartments. Commercial real estate includes properties used for business purposes, such as office buildings, retail stores, and hotels. Industrial real estate includes properties used for manufacturing and production. If you're interested in investing in real estate, there are a few steps you can take to get started. First, determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, educate yourself about the real estate market and different investment strategies. Then, consider working with a real estate agent or investment advisor to help you find the right properties for your portfolio. This was just to give you a little understanding. As for real estate, let's move on to the next topic, and that is mutual funds. If you want to invest, then mutual fund is also a good decision. So the question is, what is mutual funds? Mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. The primary purpose of a mutual fund is to provide individual investors with access to a professionally managed and diversified investment portfolio. So if you are thinking this, are there benefits in mutual funds or not? So I want to tell you this. There are many benefits in mutual funds: diversification, professional management, accessibility, liquidity, transparency. Now how to invest in it. So first, open an investment account with a brokerage firm, mutual fund company, or online investment platform. You'll need to provide personal and financial information, as well as fund your account with an initial investment amount. Now, deposit money into your investment account to purchase mutual fund shares. You can invest a lump sum amount or set up automatic contributions through a systematic investment plan for regular investing. Next, once your account is funded, place your buy order for the mutual fund shares you want to purchase. You can typically buy mutual fund shares at the current net asset value or at the end of the trading day. After doing all this, regularly monitor the performance of your mutual fund investments and review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Stay informed about market trends, economic conditions, and any news or updates related to your funds. And last, keep yourself informed about developments in the mutual fund industry, changes in regulations, and updates from fund managers. Stay up to date on your fund's performance, fees, and any news or events that may impact your investments. So last, can I also invest in gold and precious metal? Absolutely, you can. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium are considered precious metals due to their rarity, beauty, and high economic value. These metals have been used for centuries as stores of value, currency, and symbols of wealth. Now the question is, what benefits of investing in gold and precious metals? These assets can serve as a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and economic uncertainty. They also have a low correlation with traditional financial assets like stocks and bonds, making them valuable diversification tools for investment portfolios. We will make a separate video about this. And last one is cryptocurrency. We have made a separate video about this. So go and watch this video. Invest in yourself every day, whether it's learning something new, taking a small step towards your goals, or simply believing in your abilities. Remember that your growth and progress are worth the effort. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and keep moving forward. You have the power to create the life you desire, so keep pushing, keep believing, and never underestimate the incredible potential within you. You've got this. Thanks for watching.